Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to pay property tax in Gujarat. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site of wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Gujarat How to Pay Property Tax. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. In this page, we have given detailed procedure along with information and instruction for an user to follow and complete this property tax payment. Also, you can see few links for external websites as well as for forms which are useful in completing the procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, Wiki Procedure has provided a select language tab to help you with different languages to choose from the drop down menu. So select the language of your choice to understand this procedure easily. List of items covered in this session: need for property tax, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, officers and contacts, online resources, and other information. Today, this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to pay property tax. Property tax or house tax is a local tax imposed on owners of an apartment, land or building by the local governing authorities of the state government. Vacant land is generally exempt. Central government properties are exempt. Instead, a service charge will be collected. Properties of foreign mission also enjoy tax exemption from the property tax. Tax exemption is applicable for selected citizens as well as organizations including educational institutions, charitable institutions, ex-servicemen, in-servicemen, retired pensioners association, NGO homes, teachers, association building as applicable for tax exemptions. Property tax clearance is required in most of the services from the state government like water connection, sanitary and electricity connections. Documents required: you will require bill, a unique number for the said property. If you don't have, you can acquire it from the old property bill and use the owner name and address of the property and the Aadhaar card. Let us see how to pay. Before that, residential and commercial properties in Gujarat are liable to pay property tax to the municipal board office. They will help you checking out whether your bill has been issued or not. And if issued, they will even help for giving information about the amount of the property tax. So they are very helpful in getting the doubts clarified. Property tax is calculated as per the carpet area of the property and namely 4 factors like age factor of the building, location factor, type of building meaning building type, use of the property and also the occupancy factor. These are the 4 factors they will keep in mind. And also the tax assessment can be done with the online portal by using the link which is provided here. Just use this link to reach the online assessment form page and use it appropriately to get the assessment amount. Penalty is charged 18% interest and 0.5% notice fee, 25% education cess. So don't take into penalty period, please pay it on time. The property tax payments are collected off yearly. For the first half of the year, the bills are to be paid before 31st of March, and for the second half, it should be before 15th of October. Property tax can be paid both online as well as offline method. Anyone undervaluing the property would be penalized. Let us see how to pay in person. As a first step, one has to get the assessment for the property. If the assessment from the respective department has not reached them, then they have to get the assessment. You can use the old bill, supplied bill or old receipt of the payment in case one does not have any mentions, details. Then please know your census number with these details. Resident can get the details of the property tax by approaching the officials with these details like bill supplied or old bill or old receipt for the property tax. One can get the details of the property tax amount to be paid from the respective municipal board office and also they can access it through the online as we explained. So the link for the contact details as provided in our apply in person, let's see here, municipal office contact link. You will reach the page where you will get colors of the district names or the place names along with the contact information kept for them. So use it according to your area limits and pay it. Go to the respective municipal office and submit the bill issued or the details you have along with other required documents to the assessing officer for confirmation. Once confirmed, applicant can submit the details and pay the advised property tax to the counter staff as advised by the assessing officer. Once the amount is received, the counter staff will give an acknowledgement, which is a receipt for the tax paid. The payment by cash, check or DD or credit card or TD are accepted. Credit cards are not accepted here. Please keep the receipt for future reference. Now pay your property tax for corporate area and old taxation without any charges at any of the branches of Union Bank of India, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, Bhavnagar, Nagarik Sahakari Bank, IAU Bank with respective challan as applicable for the area and for the bank. So these are the banks which collects payment directly. Now we will see how to apply pay online. In order to pay the property tax online in Gujarat, one has to use the link provided here with the help of the online session page. Here you can use the online portal link so that you will be reaching the page where you have to select the authority name from the list. Authority name means your authority, municipal authority. So you can select the respective authority for your concerned limits. Now I have selected Ahmedabad and hit submit. You will reach the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation page. So you wonder why you are here. You have the online portal here, online services, quick pay, pay property tax. Like similarly, you can select the different name of the municipality from the drop down menu, and from there you can go further to pay your online property tax. So once this page is received, please follow through the screen prompts so that you will reach the payment gateway and pay the appropriate fees through online and get the acknowledgement for the transaction, which will be used as the proof that you have made property tax online in Gujarat. Please use the following link for paying property tax online all over Gujarat and select the respective authority name. As I shown to you, you can do this. In our page also we have provided sufficient space for the user, sufficient option for the user to select accordingly. See here, so use them and pay as per your area listed. Eligibility: you should be an Indian citizen and age of 18 years plus, should own a land or property in your name. Validity: the property tax is valid for 1 year and you should renew it yearly once. In India, in certain parts they are paying 6 months once for this property tax. Fees: the property tax amount is calculated based on the residential area. It varies from place to place and property type to property to property. The property tax for a building is calculated based on the basement area, the rate prevalent in the street where it is located, meaning the benchmark amount, usage of the building, whether it is residential or commercial, type of occupancy, owner or tenant, the total span of the building's existence, meaning how old is the building. These factors will determine the assessment amount for the property tax which a user in Gujarat needs to be paid. Processing time: payment of tax will be completed as and when it is paid to the respective department. Offices and contacts: Principal Secretary, Urban Development and Urban Housing Department, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Phone, fax, email are given here for personal clarifications of doubts and complaints. Also the link which is provided here, which we have already seen, gives detailed information of the municipal offices for a person to select and proceed for property tax payment, doubts and to pay personally. Online resources: all these links provided here will give direct access to these websites which we use so far to complete this payment. So we have provided these websites as links at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: all residential and commercial properties are assessed for tax. The information about all new construction, meaning if you own a property of 1000 square feet and you are including another 200 square feet to it, the addition of 200 square feet has to be intimated to the respective assessment department for including the same in the current or the coming assessment period. There will be a strict action against the defaulters. It is advisable to pay the tax on time to avoid such situations. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to pay property tax in Gujarat.